Hello everyone, myself Dr. Neetu Modgil. I'm ENT consultant working with Care Hospitals, Hyderabad. So today we will address another query that patient asks, earrings. They ask, do they have to wear, how good is the earring? Is it good to wear the earrings or it is bad to wear the earrings? See, there is no harm in wearing the earrings. But the problem with the earrings, with the new inventions, or we can say the invention of the fashion with time, is they wear very heavy earrings. So the collagen is one of the content of the skin inside, of our body inside, which maintains the turgor, or we can say the proper shape of the face or the earlobe. If we are having less collagen, maybe due to hormonal changes, maybe due to pregnancy, age, diabetic, smoker patients, so they tend to have increase in the size of the hole due to bigger earrings. So that is the only problem with the earrings that patients do face it. And what is the age from where they can start wearing earrings? I have done ear piercing at 1 month of age also. So there is no particular age limit, but it is always better to take consent. So consent a baby can give after 5 to 6 years of understanding that what is exactly the hearing are. So keeping the thing in mind that we have to give choice to every woman. So I will prefer that you give earrings to them when they are willing to get the earrings. So otherwise there is no harm in using the earrings. And then we would like to address second thing, that when they should consult the doctor for ear pain. The problem is not that they are not coming to the doctor, but when they start dealing with the ear pain at home by putting some Ayurvedic oil, some paste of garlic and ginger, leading to further infection in the ear. So doctor has to deal with two infections at that time. One is the cause for the ear pain, and second, because of this paste which they put inside the ear, they start developing some fungal infection in the ear. So there are many reasons for the ear pain. It cannot be like, most of the times the ear pain is not because of any ear pathology. It can be due to dental thing, it can be due to tonsils, it can be some first sign of cancer also, very rarely, not always. So these particular areas, they refer the pain to the ear. And if we are talking about the ear, it can be some kind of boil in the ear, some middle ear infection due to tube blocking nose and the ear, sinusitis pain can present in the ear. So on phone, when you take consultation with the doctor cannot tell you what is the reason behind the pain. It can be only wax also. So when you have an ear pain, don't deal with the ear pain. If it is like for an hour or something and you got relief itself in one day or one medication, fine, you can wait for the next episode. But if you are suffering constantly every night or for number of hours, I request that you should visit the doctor, because ear is very crucial structure. If by chance you lose the eardrum, the only solution will be surgery for that time. So it's better to take timely actions when you have ear pain. You can take any painkiller at night time. Next day visit your doctor. Don't put anything made at home like oil or paste or something like this. Keep ear absolutely dry. Don't even use the ear drops before visiting the doctor. Thank you.